Welcome. In this quick guide, we'll walk through how to report a raid in Discord using the latest version of the app. If your server has been targeted by spam, bots, or an organized disruption, reporting it properly helps Discord's trust and safety team take quick action and keep your community secure. First, open your Discord app and make sure you're logged into the account that's part of the affected server. Once you're inside the app, head over to your server list on the left side of the screen and tap on the server where the raid took place. At the top of the server page, you'll see the server's name. Tap on it to open the server settings menu. From here, scroll down until you find the option labeled Report Raid. This is the built-in feature Discord provides to help moderators and members report coordinated attacks or cases of flooding messages, spam, or bot joining. After tapping Report Raid, Discord will guide you through a few quick steps. You'll be asked to choose the main reason for your report. Options typically include spam, harassment, or bot activity. Take a moment to select the most accurate reason so Discord's team can understand what happened. Then, if prompted, you can add a short description to explain any extra details about the raid, like when it occurred or how users were affected. Once everything is filled out, tap Submit. Discord will confirm your report, and from there, the case will be reviewed by their moderation